Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for Tasty Finds with
TankManJoe,
we are going to sample this oat and Greek yogurt sandwich cookies.
with vanilla cream.
Oh yes, filled with yogurt cream.
Oh, yogurt.
Yogurt cream. It says here one cookie is 140 calories. So one cookie, I guess, will be just one of these sandwiches. Okay. And let's see, what else can we say about this? So it's not gluten-free. It's a product of Greece. You see that?
Is it greasy?
Good one. Let's see, and there are 9 cookies in here. So, Yep, pretty weighty. Almost like breakfast in a cookie. Trader Joe's oat and Greek yogurt sandwich cookies are made in Greece with a slightly tart filling sandwiched between 2 crisp oat cookies made with Greek yogurt.
Wait, so is this breakfast food?
I don't think so. I don't think so. I think
That's like breakfast and a cookie.
I don't know. Here, you do the honors in opening that up. I have been seeing this at Trader Joe's for a little while. It's fairly new. It's not something that was just dropped in, but it's not something that's been there for years. So, let's see. Wow. Here we go.
Oh, they're smaller than I expected, but whatever.
There they are. Take one. Think long, pick wrong. Okay, so this is the cookie.
Oh.
As you can see there, and then
stinks.
All right, so I'm gonna pop mine open so you can see inside there. Okay, kind of an Oreo effect. So let's give it a try. The oat milk cookie is, it's okay. It's a little airish. It tastes like a lot of baking powder has been put into this to get the nice airish taste to it. The Greek yogurt filling inside does have that tart taste that you get with Greek yogurt. Combined together, I don't know, what do you think?
These are not good. I don't like them. The cookie doesn't taste like oatmeal. Like oatmeal raisin cookies, I was thinking that's what it's trying to be like.
I agree.
It doesn't taste like that. And the filling, I don't like it. It doesn't taste like it's sweet enough.
So on a scale of 1 to 4, 1 meaning you'll make a hard pass, 4 means you'll buy it again for your own personal consumption. What do you give this?
1. I'll see you in the store. Look over at the Oreos and go over to the Oreos and buy this.
On a scale of 1 to 4, I will give it a 1. Yes, that's a 1 from me because it's not bad, but it's not something that I can say, oh, I'll get this again, because I really like it. And I don't think actually, I don't think it will improve with time. I mean, it's fine. It's nothing wrong with it. I personally, it's not my cup of tea. So you'll say the same, right?
Yeah.
So that's a one from me and a one from him.
Mhm.
I forgot how much this cost, but you know, case of raw. So anyway, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this and a lot of DIY things, hit that subscribe button down below. And
if you like cookies, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, or this bug will be in your bed tonight.
oh, that bug again. My gosh, we need an exterminator. Well, until next time.